state of my room. This our bed is a hot mess. Hey guys, so after before we start this video, let me just put this down. It's been a week since I made that video, so I just realized I did not make an intro into the video, to the movie. Anyways, I did not make an intro, but here is my intro. Hi guys, my name is Kosy, or you can call me Lovette. Anyways, this is a week after that video, you know, so I had to make an intro before I post that video because I just realized there was no intro. But yeah, just come with me as I clean and arrange my bedroom. Yeah, look at all this mess. I have to wash the bathroom, and I've cleared the kitchen area though. I cleared, oh my god, what happened to my lights? Everything except that this is still a whole mess. Okay, I'm about to start washing my bathroom because can you see that is dirty? I think this is a new obsession. Hey guys, so I had to transfer to voiceover. So this is me adding detergent to my water, and then I mopped my entire floor because the entire place was dusty. I had to mop and clean, like I had to clean this floor like twice before I got this desired result. I didn't record everything because I was in a hurry, and guys, after I was done mopping, I set out water for washing because I needed to wash my clothes, as you will be seeing in this video. So after that, I started making my bed because that was the next thing to give me this sleeping aesthetic. I had to fix my bed to give me this energy I have every single day. So after I made my bed, fixed my bed sheets, fixed my pillow and the cases. I'm sorry, the pillowcase and the bed sheets are two different things because the last one I was using was the same thing with the bed sheet. Anyways, I started bringing out my clothes for washing because I had a lot of clothes. Before I traveled, I have dirty clothes packed, so I had to wash them later. Now I'm adding my hypo and my detergent again into a bucket of water, two buckets of water, then adding my bed sheet and my towel in one of the buckets, and then I'm going to add my clothes to the other buckets. Yes, that's my clothes. So guys, this is the end result. This is my bed, this is the table all fixed, going to be, and those ones there fixed the entire space, and my bag area I fixed it, but those clothes are the ones I'm going to be washing today. So I have them out there, and I have a set of new clothes I'll be wearing today after taking a shower. Now back to my kitchen. As you can see, everything is, I don't have a cupboard, so everything has to stay on the floor, both my food stuff and everything. That's why you see my kitchen is a little bit messed up, but I still manage it this way. The bathroom, like, tell me it is not as clean as new right now. I'm sorry, my light has a problem. I have some clothes that I'm about to wash, so I need to soak them first before washing. Everything is now in place. The floor is clean. Now I'm going to close the door. Hey guys, so I'm done with cleaning of the whole apartment, and if you watched this video to this point, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you click on the bell icon so you don't miss any video I post in the future. And thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next